Whoa, Maze, you gotta watch that driver. They don't need to be out here right now, 'cause they crossing the broken lines. Oh yeah, I see that driver. Passed him earlier. He was looking kind of disturbed inside his truck. You know, going in slow motion. Oh yeah, but you gotta watch these drivers out here, just like you've been doing. It's defensive driving, defensive. It's all defensive when it comes to these cats out here. All of them don't belong out here with the CDL. All of them don't belong. Some of them new, you know, rookies. Some of them ain't even gonna make it 3 years. Yep, sad thing, some of them don't even make it 3 weeks. Yeah, man. Oh, yeah. Yeah, my daggone nephew was telling me about how he used to train. Yeah, he used to train drivers. But he had to stop because he kept getting some weirdos in his truck. He kept getting some weirdos that was just coming out there broke and having any money to buy a toothbrush. Yeah, it was bad. He said he wasn't gonna be continuing to take care of drivers that are grown. He said he ain't gonna be doing that because he wasn't really able to, you know, file them as dependents or some type of business expense, because he said the IRS really wasn't into that type of stuff. And I told him if it gets to a certain amount, you know, keep your receipts. wasn't trying to do that in the first place. You know, he was telling me that he always been tight with his money. He said he pay his tithes, but he be tight. He don't be giving people money. He don't be doing that. He don't got that habit in his traits, giving people money. He straight up told me, Maze, he told me people need to get out here and earn their money. Dang, this driver driving slow. Man, he must have bumped their head on the water fountain. Dang. Out in 54, 55, 56. Dang. They must think they out here all by themselves on a Sunday morning at like 5 in the morning. Must don't know the day is Monday. It's move, yo, you know what? Monday. I tell you, Paige, I don't see how you do it, man. Man, you gotta have like some super superior, extreme, extraordinary, excellent patience for these people. Yeah, you know, gotta do it like that. Summing it up into words, you do have to be patient with these folks out here because they gonna be looking at me as the professional driver each and every time. So they hold me to a certain standard. But sometimes you wanna blow your horn. Like, what in the world? You do, or you need like a water gun on the front of your truck to where you can just make it go off and shoot water on the back of the vehicle to let them know that they should speed up or get over. Yeah, I guess a water gun would be better than a real gun. Some people have a real gun, and I don't blame them. You know, if this was like 1984, you could really shoot somebody's tires out. So nobody really gonna have any cell phones recording. There wouldn't be that many, like, you look way up there, there's cameras, news cameras to be able to see the road. They wouldn't be up there. And what else? You could just cover up your tag. You know what I'm saying? And you know, if you ever get questions, you just say it wasn't you. You know, that's all you had to do back in the day is ask for an attorney and say it wasn't you. You know, they still didn't play fair. They still locked up innocent men and women for decades, maybe centuries. But things were a lot easier to get away with in the 80s. A lot easier. I remember back in the day, you could drink and drive and be okay in the 80s. Yeah, you could get pulled over with some beer and tell the officer you just had a couple. You know, the officer let you go down the road. Look at that, somebody on the shoulder again. At least they caught on. They pulled way over. Way over. But I ain't gonna get too long-winded. I forgot what I was talking about. Other than that driver trying to drive in 2 lanes at the same time. But Mage, you know, but I don't know. Or if you told me, I might have forgot. Man, I don't think it was Walmart. We just passed one. I kind of need to go there. Go to Walmart. Need to go there. Get some stuff. Stuff out of the grocery aisle. Yeah. But where we headed, big where we headed? Well, I'm gonna tell you like this, big bro. We headed somewhere today. Somewhere. I would stop there and stop there. That's a nice one. That's a nice little place. I remember a few years ago it was just like extremely ragged over there. It was bad. They done fixed it up. Thank goodness. I stopped there before. I think we'll go down to the next one and pull on over. Truck parking. That's where we headed. Oh, for sure, for sure. No services. I guess I'm gonna have to be like one of them animals and just go in the woods or do that over there in that pickup. Gonna have to urinate on the tire, big dog. Yeah, this one ain't as nice like the other one. This one kind of ragged. It's like they need to get out here and fix this one. I tell you, Arkansas, they let them tell it. They broke. Let them tell it. They play that broke road. They ain't broke. They ain't even close to being broke. They got plenty of money. They just continue to decide to fix what they want to fix. That's okay. It's they state. You know, they not the type to come to my house and tell me what I need to do. You know, they're not gonna do that to me, so I ain't gonna do it to them. I ain't gonna do it to them, bro. Man, yeah, go ahead and get pulled over, Midge. Gotta make it flood out here, man. I've been drinking a lot of water trying to clean my system.